Hi, I'm Ajay Minocha, your stock picker. I can be reached on 99596 12092 or minochaajay@gmail.com. I thought that I'll just cover three parts of another session. In the first session, we'll actually get down to stock picking. Last time, I had suggested a bunch of 7 stocks: Bajaj Finance, DMart, Escorts, Hindustan Lever, Titan, Reliance, and Voltas. I am adding another 3 stocks, and they are Mahindra and Mahindra, Larsen and Toubro, Federal Bank. Of the 10, I suggest you start off buying Federal Bank and Bajaj Finance both. Pick one out of Mahindra or Escorts, because Escorts is high risk, high return. Mahindra is a lot safer. Please remember, Escorts has gone up, almost doubled in the first quarter, in the last quarter. So if there is a bout of profit taking in the market, you could be in for a disappointment. However, if you like risk, buy Escorts. And then out of Reliance and Larsen and Toubro, both are giants, both will move slowly. Pick one. The rest are all FMCG stocks. So out of levers, DMart, Voltas and Titan, I would suggest just pick 2. If you're the slow and steady types, go with lever and Titan. But if you like the excitement, like Escorts, DMart and Voltas would fall in the same category. All right, now let's move on. I want to tell you what's going on in the market. In fact, after my last session, I was asked whether the market would fall first and then go up, or go up first and then fall later. Frankly, nobody could hazard a guess. It's a real difficult take. But yes, from what's going on at the moment, there are a few things that the market is telling us. The market is telling us that it wants to get higher unless somebody stops it. Unless there's a geopolitical event or some bad news, it really wants to get higher. It's churning around. Every Friday, we close at a new high, which means the bears are getting trapped. Every Monday, we begin with a decline. Fresh positions get built, and we have an intra-week dip which gives a buying opportunity. So I would say be a buyer on dips and stay invested. That's the way to play the market till it actually turns and tell us to start taking profits and get out. What's going on in the market? There is a sectoral play going on. We have seen a lot of sectors performing. It was the turn of IT and pharma recently. Suddenly IT has gone completely out of flavor. And now after the good run that pharma has had, I think this week would surely belong to metals. There are a lot of stocks, so I'm going to pick some stocks on metals for you. Hindalco and Tata Steel are the strongest of the lot. You could buy them on declines. You could also look at buying JSW Steel, Jindal Steel, Vedant, Hindustan Zinc, MOL and NMDC. Buy anything. I'm sure as a bunch, if metal goes up, these are the names that look like they will go up. There is one stock I want to suggest to you in the metal space, and that is a company called Sandur Manganese Iron Ore. Now this company is in the manganese business, and manganese prices have fallen a lot this year. Sandur Manganese touched a high of 900, and due to the fall in manganese prices, it's come down to 600 recently. After the quarterly results, which showed a profit of 500%, in the last 10 days, Sandur Manganese has jumped up by 15 to 20%. Please buy this stock in small lots, add on declines, and hold till a price of 900. Time permitting, let me just take you through what's going on in the pharma sector. After metals, maybe real estate, it is also time to seriously look at the pharma sector, not merely from a trading perspective, but from a longer term. There are two stocks which are clearly leading the pack, Cadila and Natco Pharma. They are the strongest and they are in a bull market of their own. Look for serious declines, buy both. The other stock which I like out of Glenmark, Wockhardt and Aurobindo, I think you'd be better off buying Aurobindo Pharma. That's all for this week. See you later. Bye-bye.